Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is I'm gonna make a new video for today, and also already, so these are all my cameras, right? So here it goes, and it's gonna start up. Okay, let's go. Gonna start it up with the first that I have when I am still in the Philippines, right? Is I have this Nikon Coolpix L27, and this is also has a good digital camera, right? So all of my cameras are not a DSLR, right? So I don't have a DSLR is because it is so expensive, right? So I only have my cameras with modern and retro, right? So early 2000 and also from the past also, right? So this is my first digital camera. This is the Nikon Coolpix L27. So it is a good camera also that which you can have it also. I think you can have this in eBay, right? You can bought this in eBay. Perfect, and also perfect, and I use a rechargeable battery on it since it is really convenient to me. So, and also I have a charger from a rechargeable battery so that I can bring it up anywhere and I can charge it up with my power bank, right? So a good one, and it's also a perfect, and is which you can see right there. This is the LCD right there, the display, and we've got right here is some functions over here, and which you can have to use it. So, and I also, and this one right here is for the battery, right? And this is the battery for the right? So 2 AA's, and I use a rechargeable battery, right? So okay, on to the next. So on to the next is when I got here in USA. So I got this one. So I got this Philips digital camera, right? I got this Philips digital camera, in which I bought it from a thrift store, right? So it is I think so check that out in my previous video, right? In my previous video, so you can see the unboxing of it, and this is a good one also, and I really like the result of the picture of this one. So it has a 3.0 megapixels, and which also it has also a flash in here, and which is also, when I bought this, it also has a memory card on it. So this one right here is not an micro SD. This is an SD card. This is not a micro SD card, which is the uses for this a trans flash, right? The one that is okay. The one that is smaller than the other, right? So okay, so I'm a little bit okay. I forgot how to. Alright, so okay, I forgot how to put it on. Okay, here it goes. So, and also perfect for this one is also I really love the for this one, right? So I really love the but one thing that I of the cons with this one is this one right here is which when I put a battery on it, so it doesn't close up, right? It doesn't close. So something's wrong with this one right here, right? And yes, and it's also gonna be put a 3 AAA batteries, and which is also I uses a rechargeable AAA batteries on it, right? So okay, so on to the next one is when I got here, I also bought this Vivitar, right? So I bought this Vivitar VEC S124 from Walmart, and which is cost not so this is because, what is this called, right? And also this is a good one also, and I really like it. And this is my everyday, and this is my everyday carry camera, my EDC camera. And I also love it is because there is also got this one right here, a lanyard, in which is I can put it on, and then I can have it like that. So, and it's also, which is perfect for me also to have this, is because it is so compact, right? And it's also, I really like this. So I think since and also I think I'm gonna go into the photography, right? So, and also this one, it has also has a flash. So right here is only this one, the lens for this one is just only like that. And it's also, it has also as a what here for the tripod mount over here. And we've got some navigation right here for the camera. So as you can see right here for the functions, right? And also a really good one also is because this is a rechargeable battery, right? So what it right here is the battery, right? So that's why sometimes it's really hard for me. Sometimes it's really hard for me to open this up, since okay, so I just accidentally on the camera. So here it goes. So this is the battery over here, in which I think I'm gonna have to buy another battery for this one for right? So, and then also the micro SD card right here, and you can see right that. So this is a good one also, and I really love the quality of the picture. And so all of my picture, so I'm gonna have to post into my Facebook page, Point and Shoot Photography. So that is my Facebook page. You can see all of my pictures right there, and which is a raw and unedited pictures that I have picture outside, so whenever I go, right? So okay, so this one right here is a good one. Okay, so on to the next is I have this Pentax Zoom 105 Super. Oh, nice vintage camera right here, and it is also gonna be used as a film, right? So I'm gonna have to buy a film in Walmart. Okay, since I don't have a film yet, I already have the battery, and which I didn't use it because I want to buy a film on it. So, and also I'm gonna have to buy a film. What is this one called? I forget. So film picture, and I think I can print it into Walmart, right? Since they also has a printing options right over there for their, right? So I think they will develop film, right? Still today, right? And it's also a good one also is because it's so retro, right? So nice, and I really like it a lot, right? It's Pentax Zoom 105 Super, right? And it's also really a good one. It's also got some viewfinder over here, right? So you're gonna use that viewfinder, and which is also is a push button, capture button right over here, and which is also right here is, I think, I don't know, forgot what is it. Okay, we're right here, right? And it's also, this is a good one, and we've got print right over here. It's the quartz date. Okay, so wait, right? So it is the one right here is the film that you can put it on. Right over here is the film. I can put that film right over there. Also, what is this? Okay, I don't know what is this one. Okay, I don't know what is this right over here. Okay, I just found out that today. Okay, I think this is the camera. I think this is the, right? Yeah, check that out. Okay, since I don't have the battery yet, so I'm gonna have to close that one also. I got a good camera, so I think it can be digitalized, right? Digital, right? It goes print right here. Okay, so I don't know. Okay, how to use this one, right? So this is my first ever. What is this? My first ever. So this is the battery right over. So this is where the battery is. Okay, gonna be put. Okay, there's a screwdriver on it for me to open the battery case. So I just open that up. So when I open it, it is not a double. It is not a double A battery, right? So the small one. Okay, I have the small one already. Okay, so on to the next is I've got also this one. Okay, I've got also this one right over here, and I bought this from Timo, right? So perfect, and also I really like it a lot. And also this is good also is because I can put that one over here, so I can just, yeah, you know, I wanted I just wanted also a camera like this, right? And it's also, it is so perfect for me to have this one is because it is so, you know, I can see when I can see when I am like that, so doing selfie, right? It is also the quality of the picture. The quality of the picture here is also really good. It's because it is so retro. It's because retro and vintage type of a output of the picture of this one also, and I really like this a lot. Also, we've got some navigations, and also this one right here is a good one, but right here is that's the only a design, right? So there's no flash for this one, so I don't know how to use the flash, but I think it's still good for me to have this when I in the outside. The quality is also good, right? And it's also a rechargeable already, so the battery, there's no you can see a battery slot, right? It's because it is inside of the camera, and we've got right here's the micro SD and the USB type C port for charging the camera, right? So okay, on to the next is I've got also this old and vintage camera right over here. So this one right here is the Sears Easy Load 310, and which is this also a really good camera right over here, as you can see like that. And we've got the viewfinder, and gonna have to press it like that, and then the quality over here is still good, right? Nice. It's also a perfect camera for you to have it. So this is a film camera, which is okay, right here, as you can see, like that over there. So that's one, and it's also a really good camera from the early 30s, I think early 30s or early 40s. So flash distance, right? As you can see, flash distance, and this is a good one. I think I'm gonna have to find a film for this one if we still have a film for today, right? So because this is so classic, right? Very, very classic. So the battery is in here, and we've got the two batteries, right? Two AA batteries that I can put it on right over here. So okay, so let's go on to the last one. So I think we're gonna have to make the last one. Okay, so I have here is the Olympus. It's my Olympus FE4000. So good, you know, you can check that. You can check the unboxing for that one also, which I bought this also in a thrift store, right? And it's also a good one for me to have it, and it's also a good quality of camera, right? So as you can see, gonna have to on like that, and then here it goes, and then this is the, you know, picture. Okay, as you can see right there. Yes, hello, what's up? Okay, this is the you know, this is the quality of the picture, right? So okay, so I'm gonna have to try it out. Okay, so gonna check the qualities of the cameras for this one. So except the two retro camera, right? So okay, digital cameras, right? For example, videos gonna be okay, gonna be put down right over here. Okay, right? And it's also I think I forgot the part. This is also my camcorder right over here. Is also I've got my camcorder, and which also I use this also as my vlogging, right? I also use this as my vlogging camera, and it's also, this is a good one is because you can capture, because I can use both, yeah, right? picture and video, and this is a good one for me to have it. So let's go, gonna have to turn it on. Okay, so and then here it goes. Okay, so and then here we are for the camera. Okay, so let's go, gonna have to put that one right over here, and then as you can see like that. So that is the, you know, it's upside down, right? So when I'm gonna put this on, so there you go, it is so very nice. Okay, look at that. So very perfect, and also I really like this a lot. It's also, this is a good one also for me to have it, right? Is this one camcorder, in which I use it for my vlogging out. So I'm gonna use it for my vlogging outside when I'm gonna be traveling, right? So when I'm gonna be traveling, so I'm gonna use this app for my vlogging, right? So okay, so okay, nice and perfect, and also I really like it, right? So okay, so I'm gonna have to close this up, that up, and then I'm gonna have to put that back right over there. So okay, and I think that's it for my vlog for today. So, and up next is the quality of the picture, right? As you can see, the quality of the picture of these digital cameras that I have. Okay, so watch out for it. In this, I'm gonna have to put some label, put some text below to check this one, right? Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy, and please don't forget to subscribe, okay, and click the notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos. Okay, so it's because I am using a shutter for my vlog right into this phone, right? So I am using the Motorola Moto G Play, okay, for the vlogging, since the camera for this Motorola Moto G Play is so good, and also I really like it a lot. So okay, thank you so much for watching, and you have enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe, okay, and click that notification bell so that you will notify all of the upcoming future videos. Okay, so stay tuned for more, okay, and thank you so much for watching.